Now, since I have come to the outdoor, you can see besides the tent, the carpet, what's more is needed during the outdoor activities. I think that will be the folding chair for camping activity. Yes, you can see from the back packing here, it looks like very superior, and once you have opened it, there is a storage bag for you to carry the folding chair. You can see it from the appearance. It's very convenient for you to carry or just put it into your bags. Okay, now let's just take it off to see the feature and the appearance of the folding chair. It consists of two different parts. One will be the structure and frame of the folding chair. It's made of the aluminum alloy, and once you have just opened it, it will do the installation automatically because there is a rope connect the structure and the frame. Okay, it may now take no more than 10 seconds for you to do the installation. Then that will be the second part, which is the narrow folding close for you to be the seat close, and there are 4 different corners for you. See from here, there is a hole on it. You need to put the hole and the stick insert the hole. Okay, I have done the installation. For a person like me, Dimitri, my weight is 80 kilograms, and so that will be comfortable for an ordinary person to sit in. Very comfortable and durable. What's more, one more feature of this folding chair is that it has a little container just beside the seat here. You can put your phone, because when you are, for example, you are on a fishing time, and sometimes you may fall your phone to the water accidentally, but no more needed and no more worry about this. Once you have just put the phone in it, that will be safe. That's all of the characteristics and features of this folding chair. I hope you will enjoy it.